Hello everyone. How is everyone doing today? Hope you're all doing good. Hope you're all ready for today's video. Okay, so I want to say a very big welcome to each and every one of you. Welcome back to another video, and to all of our new subscribers, those of you who will be seeing this for the first time, you are very welcome. This is Temilaya and Mom channel, and today we are making OKPA, as in not anyhow okpa, the real Enugu okpa, the OKPA Enugu. Okay, so we are going local today, and I want to do it right. I want to show you all how it's done. Okay, so many people have said, oh, the okpa it is not like the one I buy from the roadside in Enugu or Anambra. That is because they want to try to spoil our recipe for us, but we will not agree. We will not agree. They must not spoil this recipe. You see how they have upgraded coconut rice. You see coconut rice that our mother used to cook, and the thing will be soggy with coconut milk on top. Now they have spoiled it. They have started adding green pepper and red pepper. Me, I like enjoyment, so I eat it. But you see, okpa, people should leave it for us the local way, the only way. So this, anything you see here is the only thing you need for okpa. If you did not see mangi here, you don't need mangi. If you did not see crayfish, you don't need crayfish. Okpa is not moi moi. Okay, okpa is not moi moi. Okpa is not agidi jollof. So please leave our okpa the way it is. All you need is a bowl. You need a bowl depending on the quantity you are making. So I'm not making much. The reason I'm not making much is because of my palm oil. I don't have enough palm oil. This is what I have. And for okpa, you need your oil, like oil, palm oil, better oil, not those adulterated oil. You need good oil for okpa. So because of the quantity of my oil, I won't be making much. And you need salt, okay, salt. And then you need your scotch bonnet, that's fresh pepper already grated, okay, like fresh one. You don't need dry pepper, you just need fresh pepper that is grated like this. Okay, you can see it, right? Okay, so your salt, your pepper, and your palm oil, these are the only thing you need for okpa. Okpa has its own, like its own sweetness. Okpa has its own taste. You don't need crayfish, you don't need mangi, you don't need bouillon, you don't need what's it called, you don't need any other thing. See, this thing like this is the okpa that you know, the okpa that you buy on the roadside that you love. So if you want to spoil your taste, please add those things. But if you want to eat OKPA Enugu 9th lane, oh yeah, this is the one. Okay, so here is the okpa flour. I actually got this as a gift from my fellow Igbo lady that lives here. Okay, I asked her where I can buy, and she told me she has. So she actually gifted me a whole bag. And also over here I have a bowl of water. If I need more, I will get more, but this is a bowl of clean water. Okay, and this is the bowl I will be using to mix. And when it's time for me to cook it, this is the nylon I will be using. I don't have plantain leaf, I don't even know how to tie it, so I will be using this nylon. Okay, so this is everything. So let's start. So this very first process is the most important part. You understand? Is the most important part of okpa making. If you get this one right, what is left is just to add salt and pepper, and you are done. If you get this particular part, you don't mix it like you mix moi moi. So pay attention, please. I'm going to be doing 2 cups of this. That's because my palm oil will not allow me to do more. Okay, so this is 1 cup. This is 2 cups. Okay, so I'm going to take this down so I can have enough room to do what I'm doing. So now that this is here, you just want to run your hand, because this one now has already starts like coating. So I just want to like spread it. If you have enough time on your hand, please go ahead and sieve it. Okay, me, I don't have time. I know I will definitely do the whole mixing with my hand. So the next thing you want to do is to add palm oil. So you start adding palm oil. So I'm going to do this gradually. I'm adding palm oil. So this is it. Okay, so you are doing this with your hand, not a spatula or a whisk. Okay, do this with your hand because you want to massage the oil inside the okpa flour. Okay, so do this with your hand. You can see what I'm doing. You are going to do this. Even some people sell like already mixed up. I saw it on Instagram. Somebody packaged the same way we are packaging puff puff mix. Somebody mix it with palm oil, salt and everything, and they packaged it. Oh my people, they packaged it. Like, I saw it and I was amazed. I'm like, wow, people are really doing the most. People are really, as in, they are really ready for this money. Okay, so don't limit yourself. Whatever you think people around you will need, or whatever you think people around you don't even sell, and you know if you sell it you are going to make money, don't wait for somebody else to go and start the business. Do it, start it. Let them copy from you. When you don't make your money tire, that time when they wake up, come they do, and God will come give you another idea. You will not have another idea of what to add to that business. Not to stop the business, so what to add. So you see how I'm mixing it. This is why you cannot mix water before you mix the oil. You see these white patches? I don't know if you can see it very well. You see, if you maybe add water before mixing it, trust me, your okpa will not soak oil. It will not carry the oil at all. You can see these white things. So this is why you have to mix it very, yeah. So if you want to add more oil, go ahead. Like me, I'm going to add a little more. Okay.
The way you are dancing, be like say they don't give you breaks fast. I'm a piano knocker down, they give breaks fast. I'm a piano go, they carry you, they go. I'm a piano go, they carry you, they go. I'm a piano go, they carry you, they go. I'm a piano go, they carry you, they go. You go carry you, they go. Carry you, they go. You go carry you, they go. Carry you, they go. You go carry you, they go. Carry you, they go. You go carry you, they go. Carry you, they go. Carry you, they go.
So I'm just trying to see if there's any white parts, but I think it's okay now. So you can see, like, this is the only serious part in it, in okpa making. The rest part is jar. So now that I'm done with this, I'm going to start adding water. So you want to add the water small. This is so that it doesn't develop lumps, it doesn't have seed inside. You can see, if you put the water at once, you are going to have a lot of seed to dissolve or to deal with. So you want to go like this. You want to add the water small. All these steps are very important, else you will just give yourself excess work. You will just see yourself being bothered about too much loss. You can see how creamy this looks, like organic carrot cream. So you can see how creamy it is.
Yes.
So this is how you are doing it. my phone went off, but nothing different. Okay, I'm still mixing, I'm still adding water. Okay, so at this point, this is what it looks like. Look at it. Are you seeing it? I'll still add a little more water, because the this process determines how strong you want your okpa. Naturally, okpa can come out very, very strong if you don't mix it very well like this. So because I have a child at home, okay, that's why I'm going to be adding more water. I don't want it to be like extra strong. You know those kind of strong that you start coughing when you are eating it if you are not close to maybe any liquid. So I have a child that is going to enjoy this. I'm not just going to add, I'm not going to make it really hard, okay? So I'm just using my hands to make sure that there's no lumps. Okpa beans is a very stubborn beans. If you are not careful, or if you don't follow this process I'm showing you, you are going to end up with lumps. So I'm adding a little more water at this point, okay? Yeah. I'm adding water. My hands is very clean, so because you need your hands for this, you need to make sure your hands are clean. So you can see I need more water, okay? Yeah, you want it runny but not watery runny, like not very runny. You can see you still have a little thickness in it. Look at the consistency I'm going for, okay? It's very okay like this. This way I will have a really minimum of strong okpa, not very strong. So this is it. This is what you want. So you can see I'm using my hands to grind the lumps inside. So what you want to do next is open the salt for me. Thank you. Welcome. So I'm going to go ahead and add my salt. I'm really trying to stay away from salt these days, so I won't be adding too much. Leave there, you're covering the camera.
Sorry.
So that's it.
Sour recipe.
To do now, I'm going to my kitchen. I'm going to place pot and water on the fire, okay? That's because I want to add the pepper and wrap it immediately, and after I do that, I like it to go straight to the fire where I have my boiling water, okay? So I'm just going to leave this for some minutes and do that. So I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back, and the next thing I want to do now, okay, I'm going to taste it to see if the salt I added is okay. Yeah, that's very fine. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the pepper. This pepper seems too much, so I'm not adding everything. Okay, so that's the pepper, and I'm just going to use my spoon. This is the time I will need a spoon because I don't want to put my hands in the pepper mix, okay? So that's it. So you can see the consistency we went for. You can see it, right? This is how okpa is, you can see. So those are the only. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap them in this nylon. You can make it big, you can make it small, any quantity that you want. Okay, so all together I have 6. Altogether, from the 2 cups I made, I have 6 nylon. Okay, so let's go to the kitchen and get this done with. Let's go and cook this up. Let's go. So now in the kitchen, you can see I have my pot on the stove already, and also there's water already boiling in there. So I know you can see the foil paper I added. This is because I'm using nylon, so I need the foil paper at the base so it doesn't get burnt, dried or whatever. So that's just to support it and let it cook well. So remember, you're like steaming, and this takes longer than moi moi. Okay, if you are cooking your moi moi for like 15 minutes, this should take up to 20-25 minutes for it to be well and fully done. So that's all basically. So I'm just going to cover it and allow. So guys, this is it. Like, this is what it came out as. So you can see how hard it became even after mixing it to that very light consistency. You can see, and it's still very hot now. When it gets cold, it's going to be way harder than this. So guys, I really appreciate you guys for watching till this extent. Thank you so much for always. If you will be trying this, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you as always. And if you haven't subscribed, please do me the favor and subscribe to my channel. Also like and of course comment about the video. Thank you. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna